She actually did take off her hijab. Therefore, everything she done was on purpose. That is what everyone's saying about Eartha Khadija. But let's look at it from a different perspective. Let's say she did take off her hijab. And mind you, we all know that she was already struggling with her hijab. Let's say this girl did leak her pictures, which I assume is real. And after that, everybody already seen her without hijab. What is going to stop her from taking it off? You guys can't push somebody off the cliff when they're hanging, leg in and leg out, and then be like, oh, they jumped. No, you pushed them. Stop trying to enter people's intentions for the love of God. For the sake of God. If you do not know what's in her heart, stop talking. And you know what you guys should be doing? Is canceling the person that exposed her.